Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into an essential UX skill, how to create a competitor analysis in 5 easy steps. Whether you are a UX designer, understanding your competition is key to success. Let's get started. Step 1. Identify your competitors. The first step is to identify who your competitors are. Start by listing the top companies in your industry or niche. Use search engines, industry reports, and social media to gather information. Don't forget to look at both direct competitors, those offering similar products or services, and indirect competitors, those offering alternative solutions. Step 2. Gather information. Next, gather as much information as you can about your competitors. This includes their products, services, pricing, marketing strategies, customer reviews, and social media presence. Tools like Google Alerts, SEMrush, and Ahrefs can help you track and collect valuable data. Step 3. Analyze strengths and weaknesses. Now, analyze the strengths and weaknesses of your competitors. Look for what they do well and where they fall short. This can help you identify gaps in the market that you can fill. Create a SWOT analysis, strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, threats, for each competitor to visualize this information. Step 4. Compare with your own business. Compare your findings with your own business. Identify areas where you can improve and areas where you already excel. This comparison will help you understand your unique value proposition and how you can stand out in the market. Step 5. Develop your strategy. Finally, use your analysis to develop a competitive strategy. Decide on the actions you need to take to improve your position in the market. This might include adjusting your pricing, improving your product features, or enhancing your marketing efforts. Make sure your strategy is clear, actionable, and measurable. And there you have it. By following these 5 easy steps, you can create a comprehensive competitor analysis that will help you stay ahead in your industry. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more UX tips and strategies. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.